Hey guys, welcome back to another video of DeFi passive income. So today we are going to take a look over React. It's a project, or you can also call it as an aggregator. So it is Rebase Aggregator Capital and their token is React. So basically you will buy their React token and hold it into your MetaMask wallet. And with the investment that you have made, they will put it into different auto staking and auto compounding protocols. So these protocols can be like Sphere, Libro, Titano, Safu, Aurora. So these are the top auto staking and auto compounding protocols right now, and in future they will expand their portfolio as well. So you might be having one question yourself that even I can go to these protocols and invest myself, and I will also have much greater control over where to invest more. So basically the problem that this protocol tries to solve is that there are new protocols launching each and every day. There is Yieldzilla, there is Leviathan, there is Elon Bank, there is High Point Finance, there is Wall Street Finance, there is Max APY, there is 3R Crypto. So there are a lot of Titano forks out there and each one is coming out every day. And some of them are good, some of them are bad, some of them are rug pulls. If you have heard about the Ragnarok protocol, it was totally a scam and it was a rug pull. So it takes a lot of research and lot of time into getting to know each one of these projects, and it is becoming a headache. So this React protocol tries to solve that problem for you. So in this video I'll also buy some React tokens for myself. If you are interested in that, keep watching the video. So experience the power with React. Get diversified exposure to automatic staking and automatic compounding protocols across different blockchains with one token. So they are on Avalanche network. Keep that in mind. So coming over to their features, native network token reflections. Instead of reflections in native tokens, React users are rewarded with native tokens such as AVAX for Avalanche network by holding React tokens in their wallets. A certain percentage of each buy and sell transaction is collected as tax and sent to the treasury. And they have a burn mechanism as well. So moving down further, the dual reward passive system. So you earn passive reflection rewards and you also earn treasury dividends. So holders are rewarded a portion of the buy and sell transaction taxes through reflections in native Avalanche token AVAX, and you also earn treasury dividends are rewarded from Rebase treasury rewards. Yields are distributed every 3 days in AVAX. So basically you can claim your reward in 3 different ways. You can claim your rewards in the native token, that is AVAX, and then there is X protocol, which is basically if you want to claim your rewards in a certain protocol, like suppose if you want to claim your rewards in Titano tokens, you can do that as well, or if you want to claim your tokens in Sphere tokens, you can also do that. And third option is compound. If you want to accumulate more React tokens, you can also do that with 0% buy tax. And their tokenomics is there is a 13% buy tax and 15% sell tax. And this is a roadmap. So I highly recommend that you go through this website and read all the information. So moving over to their white paper, I just want to see one thing, and that is what is their goal behind this. So let's read over the basics. Since Titano an automatic staking and automatic compounding protocol that utilizes positive rebase mechanism, the space has seen a lot of innovations with the original concept. Others offers high fixed API, additional reward through other tokens or additional utilities. Okay, so the problem that they are trying to tackle with this is a lot of protocols rise and launch on a daily basis. It is hard for an individual to keep track of everything and manage each investment. Looking after a new project requires time and effort to do research, and it also tends to miss a lot of opportunities as more projects launch every day. So this is the solution. It aims to provide the service of doing research and vetting protocols in behalf of its users. So they are basically doing the research on your behalf and investing your capital into these different crypto projects which are already established and the new ones that are coming every day. So I think this project is quite good, quite unique in its form, and we have not seen something like that in a while. So I think it's a good project. They have a Discord group as well, and it currently have 19,000 plus members. So it's a quite healthy group. I will leave all the links down in the description box below. Please go through them and read all the information that you can and do your own research before investing. Okay, so now let's buy some React. Okay, so it is on Trader Joe. Continue. Currently I have one AVAX in my wallet, so I'm not gonna spend a whole lot into this project. Please don't judge. So so 0.98, I'll get 2518 React tokens. Swap. Confirm. I think their current slippage is going on 20%. So let's try that. Swap. Pay the gas fees. Confirm. And we are done. So our React balance should update any second here. So it's done. Perfect. We have 2164 React tokens. Okay, so let's go over to our dashboard. So this is their website. They are currently working on it as well because this project is launched today. So as you can see, the price is really going up and we bought over the top. That's fine. So let's connect our wallet. Wallet is connected and let's go over our account. So currently we have a balance of $64.43. This is the realized gains which will be available in the native token AVAX, and you can claim that AVAX into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet, and you can also compound with the 0% tax. So I'll make an update video on this protocol in the upcoming days to see whether it was worth it to invest in this project or it was all just the hype. So if you're interested in that video, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you have liked the content and let me know your thoughts on this protocol down in the comment section below. Also, while you are at it, please subscribe to the channel and hit that like button for more future videos like this.